Good morning, student. Today we are going to study a very important topic, that is accounting terms of class 11. So my dear student, I am going to discuss about purchase and sales. First I am going to discuss purchase. Let's see what is purchase, what are the types of purchase, why we are telling the purchase. Let's see. My dear student, first you have to understand the meaning of purchase. Okay? Purchase means the goods which you are purchased for resale. Okay? You can say that the goods which we are going to resell, that is purchase. For example, if you are purchased a pen but you consume yourself, it cannot be said that purchase. The word used bought. But when you purchase 10 pens for selling purpose, it means the word use purchase. I think you understand meaning of purchase or bought. Bought means the goods which you are purchased for your particular consumption yourself. But here we are talking about business aspects or economic aspects. So purchase means that the it is for resale. So I think you understand resale of goods. My dear student, purchase. We are talking about purchase here. So what is the types of purchase? There are two types of purchase. First is cash purchase. Okay. Second is credit purchase. Okay. Credit purchase. Simple. When we are talking about the cash purchase, see, I am going to take an example. First, purchase goods rupees 5,000. It is an example of cash purchase. But I am taking another example. Purchase goods rupees 10,000 on credit from Ramesh. Okay, this is an example of credit purchase. So my dear student, come to the sale. What is the sale? Sale is also known as revenue. Okay, when you are going to study a company chapter, so where it is talked about revenue. First see what is the meaning of sale. Generally we say what you sell, that means you are collecting some amount. But here there are two types of sale: cash sales, cash sales, credit sales. Okay, second thing that is called cash sales means the sale. I am going to give you example. Okay, sold goods rupees 1,000. Okay, it is example of cash sales. Okay, next, sold goods rupees 5,000 to Mukesh. Here name is mentioned in this transaction, so it is a credit sale. My dear student, come to the next thing, how to calculate net sale. So I am going to explain next topic here. Okay, total sale minus sales return. Sales return is what, my dear student? Sales return means the goods returned by customer to you, that is called sales return. Okay, so what you got? Net sales. So every accounting is prepared by net sales. Okay, Similarly here you have to see total purchase. Okay, total purchase minus purchase return. Okay, purchase return means what? What is the meaning of purchase return? If you are going to return the goods to supplier, if you are going to return a goods to supplier, it's due to some defective. Okay, here customer is not going to return. The shopkeeper, businessman is going to return goods to supplier, that is called purchase return. So after calculating total purchase minus purchase return, you get net purchase. Okay, you get a net purchase. So we need to calculate what? Net purchase and net sales. So I will explain here one thing also, sales and purchase. I will going to explain in coming video when we are study about journal, what is the accounting treatment. Okay, so keep remember these are the main terms which you are going to use in question. Okay my dear student, thank you.